I got a green thing flashing at me. Everybody's happy about that. I come up to the Rockwell software, go in the MicroLogic English thing. I'm going to hit new, which you can't see because it's outside of my green thingy. Darn. And I'm going to go MicroLogic 1000 DH45, which is Data Highway 45. That's the networking software. So I have that. And now we're going to go and we're going to make this guy be the size of my recording window so that that's all that we see. Alright, so that looks good. Now someone in the world of more advanced programming, you make up your tag before you start doing the ladder line. So that's what we're going to practice this time, looking up our tags first. So we're going to do, what's a tag? I don't know, I just made that up. So we're going to go to outputs, and we're going to describe output 0 as north, south, red. And then we're going to describe output 1 as north, south, yellow. And we're going to describe output 2 as north, south, green. And then we're going to describe output 3 as east, west, red. And then we're going to describe output 4 as east, west, yellow. And then we're going to describe output 5 as east, west, green. Now why are we doing that? Well, those are things that are fixed in our problem. I admit, those are things that we know are going to happen. I can do it up front, or I can do it as I go. It's better to do it up front. That way when I bring it up, I know I have the right one. It's just better to do it that way. Okay, so how many runs do I need? I need 1, 2, 2, 3, 4 for my timers. I need a reset on the timer. I need 1 for that. And then I need 6 lights. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that might be enough. Okay. So we go get a timer, TON timer. I'm holding down the mouse. We're going to call it T or colon 0. Or if we didn't want to do that, we could go and bring up our timers and just grab T4 colon 0 and put it there. Either way, we could do that too. This has to be a 20-second timer. Okay, and then I want another timer. I'm going to call it T4 colon 1. Oh, please do. Yeah. And it's supposed to be a 2-second timer. Now these timers have to be labeled, so I'm going to go in there. I just did a right mouse click in the white. And now I'm going to go to description, and I'm going to call this 20-second timer.
Right there.
And then I'm going to do a white mouse click on this timer, and I'm going to call it first 2-second timer. Timer doesn't have 2 M's in it. Can't you guys spell out there? I mean, really? Alright. So now we're gonna put another timer in. another timer in, so I have 4 timers. Maybe I am. Looks like I'm relatively hosed, doesn't it? That's good. Alright. Come down. I still need another timer. Alright, so this guy's T4:2. And he's an 18-second timer. And 18. Now, this is going to be really boring.
You said 18 or 20?
Huh? This is going to be really boring, right? So we're going to make it unboring. We're going to do a time base of 100 and make these guys 2,000, so that we can see something. Otherwise, it's just going to sit there and go duh, duh, duh every second, and that's going to be so friggin' boring. We're not doing that. But now we'll have some worthwhile numbers here, and that'd be much better. And then this is T4:3, because he's our third timer, and he's the second 2-second timer. Now you don't have to use my words. You could have them called something else, like Charlie or something like that. And go to 200 here. Alright, well that looks like fun. Now we're going to go up here and use this green check button, and we're going to see all the E's go away on our timers, and that means that we haven't hosted over. All the empty instruction things are errors. We don't really care about that. Alright, well now we'll throw in a normally open contact, a normally open contact, and a normally open contact. And then I'm going to go and open my timer guy, my timer file, and say, well, I want the done bit for the 0 guy, the done bit the done bit for T1, the done bit for T2. And because I already labeled these guys, 20-second timer, first 2-second timer, 18-second timer, I'm all ready to go.
What's your data file?
What data file? What are you talking about? It's over here in the timer. Yeah. So right here, this program file plus sign, get rid of him. And get rid of the minus sign so that you bring up all your data files so you can see it. Alright, so we're good to there. So we'll come down some. And now I need a reset. Alright, so I'll come back here and T4:3/DN for done. And I need the reset is in the timer counter. So there's a reset. And I'm supposed to be resetting T4:0, the first guy. Okay, so now all my timers are in place. Now I need to do my outputs. So we'll go back to user. There's an output. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 6 lights, right? 6. Okay, so there's my 6 lights. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Alright. And don't want him. So I want output 0. Output 0, output I could be typing these things in. I'm not that type of guy. And I'll hit fine. So now all our outputs are in, and they're all labeled. So I'm really happy about that. And I don't need to run 11, so I'm just going to cut it because I don't think I'm going to need it. So now, the issue is, when does the red light come on north, south? Okay, so it comes on in two conditions. So I'll throw in a jumper. I'll open up my timer guide again. And it comes on when T1 and T0 are timed. So north, south, red, that's wrong. T2 and T3. That's better. So when T2 and T3 are timing, the 18-second timer and the half-second, 2-second timer, north, south, red is on. Excellent. North, south, yellow. Okay, so north, south, yellow is on, and timer 2 is timing. The first 2-second timer. And then the green light is on, and the 20-second timer is timing. We'll move on down. East, west, red. Okay, so the east, west, red is on in 2 cases. And the yellow is on in 1. And the blue is on in 1. And those 2 cases are timing, timer 0, and way to go. I put the jumper, but I didn't put the context in. Timing 1. The green light is on during the 18-second timer, which is timer 2. And the yellow light is on during timer 4. And I check my work, and it checks, and I'm all done. Everything is labeled. And you can see it all at the same time. Isn't that great? And any questions about that? You got that? No problem? No. Oh. I guess you want to see something like anything. Okay, so that's what we're doing. Did I do it quick enough? Yeah, where do I have to put the video on?
Put the video on quarter playback speed.
I have to put it on. No, not that video. This video. Am I okay at 0 to 2, or you want to move down a little bit? Well, it's fine there. You want to start there someplace? You want me to go and delete everything and start over again?